In this session, we're going to be using flash animation to demonstrate tint tweening. We're going to put some text in our work area on our stage that you can see here. And we're going to let Flash use tint tweening to change the text color. The first thing that we want to do is to click on Insert, New Symbol. If you're going to add tint effects to an object, that object needs to be a symbol. We're going to call the symbol Color Change. Next, you click on OK. You're now ready to create the symbol. Select the text tool from the toolbox. Then we want to click on text. We want to choose the size. And we're going to choose 24 for our size. We also want to change the font. And we want to change the font to brush script. So we're going to scroll down. And we're going to look for brush script. There it is. Next, we want to change the color to red. Then we're going to click on the screen and we're going to type change in faces. So we have now the brush script change in faces. We have the size 24. And we have the color red. To go back to the movie, we want to select Edit, Edit Document. And we're going to insert the symbol onto the stage by clicking on Window, Library. And here's the symbol. Click on Color Change. Let's move it over to the right a bit. We're going to hold that symbol and we're going to pull it to the middle of the stage area. Let's close the library because we don't need to use the library anymore. We're going to insert a keyframe in frame 10 by clicking on frame 10, right-clicking, and clicking on Insert Keyframe. We're also going to insert a keyframe in frame 30. So we click on 30. No, we don't want 30. We want 35. Click on 35, right-click, and say Insert Keyframe. Next, we're going to select frame 10. Then we want to right-click the text on the stage. Come down into the property panel here and click on Color. And we want to select Tint from the color menu. We're going to see a color map here. And we want this color to be green. To make the color green, you see here we have red at 0. So make sure you click the arrow and make sure you choose 0. And here, for green, we're going to put 255. So make sure you have 255. You can click the down arrow and go up and down and choose what you want. Or you can simply type 255. And then we want to make sure that we have a 0 for the blue. So that's red, green, blue. 0, 255, and 0. Now we want to click on the timeline here on any frame between 10 and 35. Right click and click Create Motion Tween. The next thing we need to do is to test our animation. So we click on Control and Test Movie. And we can see that our animation is changing from red to green. That is the end of this session. Thank you for listening.